Hey, so I'll show you my FIREWORK stash 2011 I got from Krazy Kaplans. As you see, first I'll start off with the kick-ass firecrackers. Got two of these. I got M60s. Two of them. One smoke bomb balls. And I got three car gator 5-shot. Looks good. Three of them. And then I got balls to the walls. This was good. Two of these. Most of them were buy one get one free. Another ones. I got these two, and also was a buy one get three free for $20, or it was 4 for $20. I'm not sure. Then 14 for three of them. Then buy one get one free, 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 and most of everything else. Then we got the Statue of Liberty assortment. Yeah, it has firecrackers, some little balls, shooting balls, bottle rockets, earth fountains. It's mostly the same thing. And we got bigger. Let's really show. It's a Predator. It's very loud. And we got another one which is all red. Haven't tried this. Alright, that's my FIREWORK stash of 2011. Comment, like, or whatever. That's from Krazy Kaplans. Bye.